the dark. Finally I can see you crystal clear.